Okay, were you just typing how to change Instagram location just now? Well, luckily for you, it's actually pretty straightforward. And since Instagram tracks its users via Wi-Fi access points and GPS, well, you'll just need to change your virtual location with a VPN. But here's a little twist. In some cases, you won't need a VPN at all. So, allow me to explain each and every case in this little tutorial. But buckle up, because this is going to be a quick bumpy ride. Alright, if you're looking to access Instagram music, bypass social media blocks, or reach an audience from foreign shores, that's where you're going to need a VPN. You really can't make do without it. And sadly, the process is not as simple as just connecting to a server. But hey, no need to panic just yet. I'll walk you through every step of the process. So, here's how to change your location on Instagram. Now first, for this to work properly, you need to remove your previous login details. I've heard some people have had success with Instagram country change without doing this step, but others get stuck in the old location even if they physically travel to another country. So I recommend not skipping this one. Open your Instagram app, go to the settings menu, and tap on the security tab. Alright, from here, remove all of the logins. That's it. The hard part of how to change Instagram location is over. Now it's time to work the VPN magic. First, open up the VPN app of your choice. I've got NordVPN set up for this, so I guess I'm going to be doing a NordVPN Instagram tutorial. But the process is about the same with other VPN providers. My Surfshark VPN Instagram location spoofing proved quite useful, and I've also tried IPVanish. Instagram, at least for now, doesn't put up too much of a fight, at least for the best VPN 2022 candidates. If you haven't got a VPN just yet, you can check out my favorite best VPN deals in the description. Once you're set, you can proceed and change Instagram country. Step 1. Log into the Instagram VPN that you've chosen. Step 2. Pick a server. For me, it's pretty easy. That's exactly why I chose Nord for this. I mean, they've got a huge server fleet, and I like that map interface. This way it's easy to find what you need, unless maybe your geography knowledge isn't the best, because you're a byproduct of the American school system. Sorry. But you can always use the list as well. Now here, I'm going to go with France this time, because why not? Okay, once you've connected to a server, you're now virtually in a new location. Instagram will process this location instead of your real one. And all that's left to do is log into the Instagram app once again. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the NordVPN Instagram tutorial. If you've successfully changed locations, hey, let us know. Leave a like or sub to the channel. Now look, we don't just teach how to change Instagram location in 2022. We've also got best VPN reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Oh, but wait, hang on a minute. What if all this doesn't work? Well, your Instagram VPN endeavors might need some troubleshooting. First, you can try clearing your Instagram cache or reinstalling the app. That's actually usually enough. If not, try to disable location permissions in the Instagram app settings. And another glimmer of hope here is actually a special VPN feature, but heads up, it won't change country in Instagram iPhone app. But Android users are going to rejoice because you can finally make use of Surfshark's GPS spoofing feature. Oh, I love it. How to use Surfshark on Instagram is also a super short tutorial because you'll just need to enable GPS spoofing in the advanced settings and then toggle with your Android settings a little bit. To do that, head to the About Phone settings tab, find the build number and tap it a few times. That will enable the developer mode. Find that in your general settings tab, click on Select Mock Location app and choose Surfshark from the list. And that should do it. So what if you're looking for how to be safe on Instagram? Can a VPN act like an Instagram extra security measure? Well, honestly, the answer to how to make Instagram accounts safe lies in how you use the app itself. The main threat here is phishing, so you need to be careful with people you're talking with and what links you click. Now, a VPN can still come in handy. For example, I keep NordVPN's threat protection turned on at all times. It blocks access to malicious websites, so even if I click on something a bit sus, I'll be able to back out, and that is a nice little safety net. And what's more, in some cases, you might not need a VPN at all. If you're looking how to edit Instagram post location, the answer hides in, well, the question. Click to edit the post and change the location manually. Just type in whatever you want and bam, you're done. And if you're a business owner, you won't always need a VPN. How do you customize your location on Instagram? If you just want to display a specific location on your profile, first ensure that you have a business account. If not, you can always switch to it in the settings and then simply edit your info. Now here you'll be able to add the address where your business is based. One thing to note though, if you're going to be traveling a lot, a VPN will help you to make sure you're always reaching your desired audience. So in that case, you still might need a VPN. Now when choosing a VPN, do your research. There are lots of different providers. So look at things like from encryption to server fleet and features that add up to make more value for your money. You know, you want to spend your money well, right? So for security measures, I already recommended NordVPN. You can make use of threat protection, but IPVanish is also a great choice. I mean, their server fleet should be enough to pick the perfect locations. And if you're after the best price to value ratio, Surfshark is my best suggestion. It's cheap and especially useful for Android users. I mean, come on, that GPS spoofing feature will help with the Instagram country change, even if all else fails. Alright, feel free to check out the channel for even more VPN suggestions. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this little Instagram VPN tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, hey, you actually stuck around. You stuck around all the way to the end. Congratulations. Well, for you, I have a gift. See that magical box in the corner? Yep, that's all my favorite best VPN 2022 deals wrapped into one.